The world of the blockchain is always changing. The platform like the Cosmos and Solana growing fast, but Ethereum have been around for a while and getting better, especially with upgrade like the Ethereum 2.0. The upgrade aimed to make the Ethereum faster and more efficient. Cosmos and Solana are great too. They offer faster transactions and lower fees. But Ethereum has some unique strengths. It is switching a new way for making deletion called proof of stakes, and it has a big community of developers. Plus, Ethereum was the first to use smart contracts, and lots of the decentralization apps ran on it. Even with strong competition, it's unlikely that Ethereum will be replaced soon. Instead, it probably see all these platforms working together. They each have their own strengths, so they can serve different needs in the blockchain world, and the competition between them could lead to the even better technology for everyone.